Draw the translation of triangle T by 4, -3 and label it A. So I'm going to choose this point here as to be my reference point. And 4 means go 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then -3 means 3 down. 1, 2, 3. So the corresponding point there is that one. Now all I need to do is draw the same shape of triangle. So 1 across and 2 down. So that would be a vertex. And 2 across and 2 down. 2 and 2. That will be a vertex. And then we just draw that triangle. And of course you should use a ruler and label it A. -2, 3, let's use the same point. -2 means go 2 to the left, 1, 2, and 3 means 3 up, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to go there. And then we just need to make it the same shape. 1 across, 2 down, 2 across, 2 down, and then that's our triangle. And we just label it B.